You're going deeper.
Yeah.
You just started.
So today we are on the other side of the car. It is time to fix another wheel. What exactly are we doing today? The same as we did on left side.
We're going to rebuild the front knuckle.
Yeah.
Replace all the bearings and all the seals and all the grease. We're going to rebuild the locker. And that's about it. Sounds quite simple.
Yeah, to me it sounds it's going to be like a lot of layers deep.
That's what she said.
Oh no. Okay, never mind. So first thing we need to do is remove the wheel, or?
First thing we need to jack up our car.
Oh yeah.
And we need to angle it. So all the oil from the differential goes to the other side. And hopefully the new bearing we installed is going to seal. New seal we installed is going to seal.
Okay, so that's going to be a test.
Yes, it's going to be a test, so it doesn't drip out here when we remove all of the stuff.
Okay.
Since we did this once before, we're experts, and we know we need to put the bucket there. Let's remove the brakes first. I need, I think this is a 12, because of course it is, and then I think this is a 17. This is your brake caliper bolt. Oh, this is... what? What?
What is happening?
I have no idea. Is this rounded off or something?
Is it smaller?
I have no idea. I wanted to get new bolts for this part, but of all the bolts that we got to rebuild this, because we're going to use all new bolts, washers and everything, this is the only one I couldn't find, and this one is destroyed. Great. Why is this one? This one is smaller. I guess we're going...
Smaller?
Yes.
By one size?
Yes.
How is this possible?
Somebody fucked up. We should simply be able to slide this off.
Easy?
Yes. So the brake caliper needs to slide in and out. And you actually tighten this part. Oh wait, we have lights actually.
It was okay, but thanks.
Needs to slide, and this one is going quite. This one is quite stiff, and this one is. This seal is out of commission.
So the seal is
Yes.
gone.
So we are going to... No, the seal fell out. So we are going to clean this up and reseal it and relube it and do the same on the other side. No, wait, first the pad. Now we're going to take off these parts.
What is this?
Some springy things that hold the pad in place. I need a bigger one. Give me the breaker bar.
Ooh.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
I just like the sound. Yes.
Oh, come on.
We should make an outro with it.
What? Everything rattling apart?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the... I need an adapter. I forgot about that. See, I told you I would get it. Now let's break loose the other one. Ah! I knew I would hit hand on something. I just need my socket back. Oh, this one's crunchy. I hate lock washers. They do not work, and everybody uses them.
Crunch. I like the word crunch. Reminds me of a snack.
You're snaking the whole day. You can stop a bit. We're going to clean this up.
What is this?
This is the brake caliper holder, I think.
Wow.
Hold the brake caliper. No,
No.
this actually goes quite smooth.
Okay, so where's the problem?
There's actually not a problem. Can you give me a 10 millimeter? So there's actually not a problem. It's just we rebuild the other side. So we are going to rebuild this side too. Can you give me an extension for this? We are going to label all the bolts. Here comes the fun part.
I want to put them exactly on the same place.
Why is this orange? What would you asking? Yeah, the other side was packed with black grease. This is packed with
What?
anti-seize.
What? With what?
Anti-seize.
What is this?
That is a compound that you put on the bolts and stuff like that, so they don't rust together and seize up over time. This is disgusting.
Let me see.
It's not rust, I think. But I don't know what.
It's shiny.
I think it's really copper anti-seize. And now the most fun part of this whole job.
Yes.
Yes, removing the circlip.
Oh, of course.
And this is why we're doing all of this. Can you hold the light somewhere like here? Because you really don't know what is inside of stuff. Come on. How did I do this last time? Oh, I destroyed one of my picks, right?
Almost, yeah.
Do we have another flathead screwdriver here? No, we have that, the pliers that we made.
No, we need another assistant. I have a really good setup.
I will hold the light. You go get the pliers.
Okay.
And we'll try to use that.
What pliers? What? Which one?
The one that we made. Yes, those ones. Watch your eyes.
Mm-hmm. I need to stretch it.
Yes, we need to. We are gonna make it.
I need another hand.
We need proper tools for this.
Do they exist?
Yes. But I could not find it. Give me my picks. We're going in.
Alright.
just like this.
Oh.
Oh yes,
Ah.
we have it.
Oh.
Oh, for fuck's sake, where it is? Let's try this. Oh, come on, where we want to go? Come on, come on. Great. Now we can try to take this off, but it's stuck, so can you give me the bumping hammer?
Oh.
Oh, great. Well, I'm not sure that copper anti-seize should be used to lubricate bearings. Now we are in the part where the bearings are.
Mm-hmm.
This is the old seal. Oh, that has a lot of play. Oh wow.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we got a new bushing for that.
Okay. Oh, you have mismatching gloves.
Yes,
Cute.
if you say so. I will just take the biggest parts of
Oh
this
my god,
out.
disgusting.
Right? I told you we were experts that you need a bucket down there.
Yep.
Somebody of course fine-tuned this with a hammer, I see. Now we need a proper hammer and a chisel, but I have this at hand. And okay, now we need our special tool that we made. Do you remember?
Maybe. Oh, I forgot my snack here. Oops.
I know you forgot it there.
What are you doing with this?
I'm just connecting the socket to the bolt unsuccessfully. So we do not have to hold them together manually. This is an automatic tool. This is a precision made instrument. Okay, that one went. That's a good sign. There.
Well,
Now we need to take this thing out. Can I just yank it? Please? Yes. Let's get the other one.
this is cool.
What?
Everything.
Are we back?
Yeah.
We're back, okay.
Like,
And this one should be quite easy to remove. And it is.
oh really?
Yes.
That seems too easy when you do it.
Oh yeah, this one will not come out now. Great. Oh, the bearing. You know what we forgot?
Oh no.
We forgot to take the disc before this.
Okay.
God damn it. Here's my disc removing tool. I actually need two of them, right? Just two bolts. It's not that fancy. Can you please give me a 13mm socket?
No, I can try.
There you go.
Is this the only way?
This is the easiest way.
But it's like made to be done like that. Okay.
Yes. Now let's take this off. You give me a 14mm socket now, please.
Yes, I can, but I don't like it.
Isn't this fun? I think this is a 14. And this hasn't been off for too many years.
How do you know that?
I just presume that nobody actually disassembled this from when this car left the factory. Oh no. You remember what we did on the other side?
No.
Where's my heat?
Oh no.
Yeah. Give me that.
It's this time of the
Yes,
Of
it's
the
that
day.
time.
Now we're having fun.
Let's remove this.
Do you have anything flammable here?
Everything is flammable if you try hard enough. When it starts to smoke, yeah, it's going now. Much easier. Place the first one. Much easier.
Now what's weird?
What?
Some parts on this wheel
Yes?
have like either 5 or 6 or now 4 bolts. It's never the same number of
Oh yeah, of
bolts.
course.
So why is that so?
Well, it is symmetrical when you look around. So some things need only 4 bolts to keep them together, and some things need more bolts. But if you space them around equally, it should be fine. It just depends on the design. I see some black grease. This is a good sign. So these 4 bolts hold, these are one of the many bolts that hold the whole wheel together. You know, what I find interesting about this one, when you torque them down, they're quite easy. The torque is quite low. Okay, maybe we got lucky.
Hot potato. Oh, look at this face. Oh. Wow. Oh, that's a thick grease.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And this is quite hot for my fingers. This is really hot. Let's see what we have here.
What is it? Homokinetic joint?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we need to take this thing off, which will be a joy.
Oh, I can already see it.
Yes.
It looks fun.
There is a pair of pliers on the desk. Can you please give them?
Yes.
Get them. And the hammer, a proper hammer this time.
Big one.
Yes.
Pliers.
Oh, we can do this now.
Yes.
And hope it doesn't fall in the... Do you think we will ever be finished with this car?
Yes.
Sorry? Come on. I know you wanna. I know you wanna get out.
These are the worst. No, we said that for
A lot of things.
circlip.
Yes. But when this break,
Oh, then you're fucked.
then you're fucked, right? And this one does not want to come out anymore.
This is not straight. On which side does it need to go out?
Towards us. But the problem is I cannot get a hold of it properly.
Oh. Do you need something else to pull it out?
Yes, I need bigger pliers that are in the other garage, but who has time? I will just wiggle this one back and forth so the jump falls out,
Okay.
and then I will grab it here.
Yes, and push there. Not a bad method.
Sorry for hitting you. Oh, I need to reposition myself. Come on. Come on. Oh, great. Now this is a 17, I think. Yes, this is a 17. Now let's try to take apart the ball joint. Yeah, it's not moving. More heat. Yes! Stupid piece of crap. I'm so glad I got this. Stupid piece of crap. And now the problem is this is going to shoot out down.
Really?
Yes, so give me a jack stand. So it doesn't shoot completely. Ready?
Yes. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
I told you it's going to shoot out.
Yeah, maybe I overheard it and I wasn't expecting it.
But that happened on the other side, you forgot.
Yes, I forgot everything.
You can put the nut back on. Back stand, so useful. Get your one. For the kitchen, for the home, for the kids. We made some room. Now we're going to remove the wiper things from the back. Wiper seal, everything.
Wiper.
Yes, it's called the back seal. And these are the bolts that we are going to reuse, because there are some special bolts, I don't know what.
This is a special car, this is a special bolt.
We'll see when we put Toyota axles on it.
Toyota axles.
Yes, that's a popular mod people do, because I assume they're stronger.
And it fits.
Yeah. With these solid axle cars, they're quite easy to modify. I mean, you want to bolt this axle, bolt the other one in, more or less the same place. Then the only thing you need to do is make a proper prop shaft that fits both ends. Do I have it? Yes, I have it. Everything is full of gunk and mud and
all the delicious stuff.
yes, what the dreams are made of. Oh, beautiful. You have 8 of these. These are M6 by something, but they have a wider base here. And you can put just regular bolts, but then they do not line up with the with the holes that are larger
Okay.
on this seal assembly. Let's call it like the seal sandwich. This is actually a sandwich. It's really easy. It has like many parts.
Oh, stop talking about food.
I'm the one who is hungry now, remember?
Oh, okay, yeah. What do you want a snack?
A kebab.
Ooh,
But a good one.
that's a proper meal.
A juicy one, but not like everything is dripping juicy, like
Oh,
just no, a proper juicy kebab.
it needs to drip a bit.
I know, but it doesn't have to be like all the sauce.
No.
So things that we learned here by now, even though we're experts, we need to disassemble this fully,
Okay.
clean it, lubricate it with some new stuff and not the stuff that is inside, and redo the other side again. And
Really?
yes. Because I did not do that properly on the other side. I did not know how to disassemble that, because this one fell apart in my arms.
Ah.
Okay, one more, and this one has so much mud on it. And you know what fun is this, to put this all together back? You have like 3 layers of stuff that you need to hold in by hand while you are trying to screw everything.
Yeah.
We have this part.
Oh my god.
Oh,
This is rusty.
This is in a really bad condition. We reuse this on the other side.
What is this falling off?
Rust. This is rust. Well, crap.
Yes. And this one, same.
Yes, also quite rusty.
What else is there?
Here, this upper part. You have all the joy in the world here. See,
Yes.
a wiper, a seal.
This is some kind of fabric.
Yes, this is the wiper. There we go. Of course, somebody glued it in. Oh, the seal is here. Beautiful. Now we can exchange gloves.
Exchange. I don't have gloves.
Yet. Now we're going to loosen the kingpin bolts and take the kingpins out. That's why we put this back together, hand tight, finger tight.
Finger tight.
So when we rotate this, it doesn't just wobble around. And we'll try to do this. This is a 12, yes. Of course it's a 12. Why would it be a 13?
What you prefer, 13?
13 is some kind of standard for M8 bolts. Okay. One down, 7 to go.
Have I asked you this, like, what do you prefer more? Disassembling or assembling things?
Probably assembling.
I like disassembling. Another question.
Yeah.
When you played with the Legos and when you needed to like disassemble stuff and put it back in a box, did you like do it one piece by piece
No.
or just trash it?
I didn't trash it, but I didn't disassemble it completely to like I left some sub-assemblies together because why not?
Okay. Small hammer for you.
On the other side, remember when that one kingpin was broken?
Oh yeah.
This one wants to go. This one will also go.
Yes.
Okay,
These are not broken.
we'll see. We'll put probably new ones in just because. Remove this.
What?
The lobe from the boot is coming out.
Oh. This one is
Not broken.
complete. Okay.
And it has shims on it. Okay, this one is the lower one.
Okay.
We're keeping everything together, the upper and the lower ones, because we need to measure the shims.
Ooh.
Now we need to remove this.
Ooh. Oh,
That was the bearing,
yes.
which fell on the floor. Great.
Yeah.
And this disgusting mess is our knuckle.
Yay.
And now I need to get... Are there any shims here?
I don't know. Oh
Yes, yes there are.
yeah. Okay.
These are the upper shims. And the lower shims are not here, they're there. Okay. What a mess.
Beautiful mess.
Now we're just going to scrape all of the gunk and grease off. We are going to wire brush the whole ball
Oh, nice.
and paint it.
Paint.
Yes,
Oh.
just like the other side. And now the fun part.
Yay. Ooh. Nice.
This has much less play than the other side. But it has a much worse grease than the other side.
You gonna replace it?
No.
Huh?
The grease?
Yeah.
Yeah, we try to clean it and as best as we can and pack it with new grease and let things get.
Wow.
Oh, the sweet smell of victory.
You can't describe this smell.
Sulfur.
This? No,
Yeah.
it's not.
This is the smell of the gear oil from the differential, remember? Because we just opened the hole to the
I
differential.
mean, yeah, it's more. But it's not sulfur. It doesn't smell like eggs. What are those dots?
What dots?
These dark spots.
Well, I was wondering the same, and I think the thing overheated.
Oh, really? Wait, what is inside? What is
Balls.
under these spots?
Balls. The balls that rotate in this.
Ah, so you think they overheat?
I think they overheated at some point of their life,
Okay, yeah. that
but I'm
makes
not
sense.
sure. I never saw a new one of these, so I cannot say for sure. But I can say that this is the different reason on the other side. This looks like... I'm really baffled, like how everything is maintained or not maintained. Oh, that's a mess.
That's a lot of this.
Yes, and it's going in the shaft.
Can you scoop it with something else?
I'm trying. Yeah, with my hand.
Oh, yes. I think you can make a horror movie just with like a black thick grease. That would be really scary.
I realize baking is expensive when you need this, when you use it this much on an old car.
Shit.
Yeah. So I want to remove the grease and the gunk and get to the rust, so I can wire brush off the rust, and so we can paint it. Because if we are here already, we can do that step.
Ah, yeah,
And
yeah.
even though I hate that step, I hate painting.
Really, I can do it. I like painting.
Like the painting part is 10% of the work. The prep is what is boring.
What is boring? Brushing.
Brushing, cleaning, stuff like that. We're finally getting somewhere with this. Oh yes.
I mean, we are rambling for a very long time now.
The point is, I really want people to get a better feeling for how much things take and how difficult they are, because many of the videos are oversimplified.
Yeah, but people don't have patience.
Well,
You know that?
I know that. That is not our target audience, apparently.
Okay. If you manage to watch up to this point, you can comment. What can they comment? Brake clean.
Brake clean. Yeah, brake clean. You can send a message to WD or somebody who makes brake clean. Like this actually really needs to be degreased nicely because paint wouldn't stick on it. Yeah, that's why I'm going so much on it with this. But I thought I really like polishing my balls. Okay, now let's just plug this hole. So stuff from the air doesn't go in. Okay. Things we need to do now are we need to put this shaft somewhere safe, not here. Measure the shims, get some of this grease out of here, and then try to pack it with new grease. This is the pump part that nobody shows you.
As inhaling brake clean, yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. You feel amazing after that. You see stuff, you hear stuff, you can talk to the other dimensions.
Okay, don't advertise it like that. Nobody would like to sponsor it. Is this inner part or also round? Spheric.
What part exactly?
This part.
Yes, that is actually the bearing holder that holds the balls in place. And you have this inner part that connects to the inner shaft, and this outer part that connects to the outer shaft. And when you turn your wheel, everything goes like this, but while it rotates, it just moves around.
Oh.
And that's how it operates.
Oh.
Getting better every time we clean it. Something like that. We're just going to put it parts pile. Okay, now this is clean.
Okay, yeah, enough messing around. Didn't get it.
I got it. It's so bad, I love it.
I know.
Like when everything is this crusty and disgusting and
Disgusting,
yes, right? It's hard to find stuff. Yeah, there's no shims here.
Okay.
We'll put two shims from... there is a shim here.
See? You need those pointy
There we
tools.
go.
Oh no, you don't.
There we go. This is the lower one. I need more paper. No, this is just one. So we're going to spread this. We'll put 0.75 millimeters up and 0.75 millimeters, 0.7 millimeters up and 0.7 millimeters down, and we'll start our calibration with that. Because when you reassemble it, you start with the factory shims just for the ease of reassembly. You know it's dirty when you can get all the dirtiest rags and clean it. Yeah, you know what we're doing. We're cleaning shit.
We know how to clean shit. I'm getting sleepy, you know.
From this?
Yes.
And I think we're done for today.
Yay.
We'll come back and
Yay.
wire brush everything.
Yes, yeah, in the next part of...
You sound so enthusiastic.
I am. So the next part, yeah, wait for the next part of this series. Let's call it series.
Let's call it serious.
Yeah.
A serious series. Oh. Okay.
Okay, bye.